Hello, and welcome to the third show of PETA. People Saving Animals, I think is how it is. I don't remember. Anyway, we're going to go on a nature hike and see how many beautiful animals we can see. All right, follow me and learn. Look, a tree. Oh, look, a very nice game warden. Let's go say hi. Well, hello, sir.
Hello.
How you doing?
Okay, I guess.
You want to come along with us on our nature journey?
I love nature, ma'am.
That's good. This man wants to come along to PETA. I'll bet he's never even touched a gun. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly, ma'am.
All right, let's go. Oh, look, a mouse.
Where?
Right there.
Really?
I got it.
Bang!
You killed it. I'm sure he didn't mean to. PETA's
Completely accidental, ma'am.
very forgiving.
Of course, that's very good of you.
PETA's very forgiving.
Very
forgiving. All right, come on.
I have these splurges every once in a while.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Okay, come on.
I said I love the sturgeon.
Oh, I love them.
Beautiful great fish. I love those fish.
Usually, we come into here and we see a squirrel.
Where?
It's in here somewhere.
Okay.
I'm sure he got hurt. I'm sure he wants to look at it and see beautiful hairs all over it.
I love it. Look at his tail. Right up on my wall.
What?
I said, I like frogs.
Oh, hey. I like frogs too. Squirrel!
Ah! Bang!
You killed it.
You don't say,
That was
ma'am.
my friend Freddy. I'm sure he didn't mean to. PETA's very forgiving.
Of course.
They like people to be with them.
I like people who are forgiving.
All right. Now we'll go and see Shaban, my pet deer. She won't run away from you even if you get real close.
Do they have a big rack of antlers?
Yep.
Awesome.
All right, let's go. This way. Hurry up, folks. Hurry. You're so funny. Hurry up, there's the deer.
Really?
Yeah. See him in the woods?
Bang!
You killed him. How could you do that? I forgive you. PETA's very forgiving. Always forgive people. Always. Look at the beautiful fur. No, it's
Wonderful, ma'am.
dead. This one's alive. Look at how beautiful. You want to feel it? Feel it.
Love the parrot. On my feet. Where's that blasted gun of mine? Bang!
How could you do that? That's the last one. You have made me angry. PETA, don't forgive me this time. That's where I think of you. Oh.
Look, a squirrel. Bang!